What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Polkadot token. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the total sentiment of entire crypto market and with some news about Polkadot. And at the end of this video, I will show you my technical analysis and the probable outcome for the price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that with this movement to the downside we broke the 0.65 level, hit the 0.786, and at that point we had very good reaction from 0.5 level. It is a golden pocket and we hover for quite some time around these levels. My main assumption was that we might have a movement to the upside, but instead of this we broke the 0.5 level and we hit again 0.786 and hover for quite some time at these points. Then we broke it for the short period of time, found very good support right here at this point. As you can see right here it was a resistance and we hit it to the tick, had a very good bounce, and from this point Polkadot is up for more than 259%. Very good movement to the upside, and especially as you can see we have very good volume that is moving higher and higher, and it is also very good sign. So, and let's continue with the total sentiment of entire crypto market, and the total market cap is around $2.12 trillion for now, and it is a $3.15 increase over the last day. And we have almost all major cryptocurrencies in green during last 24 hours, except Solana. It has about 6% decrease in its price, but it is still okay because previously it has the most profitable trades. And let's continue with the Polkadot price. For now, it has $36.45 billion of total market cap, and it's up for about 6.24%. And its total tradable volume during the last 24 hours is $3.85 billion, and it's down for about 35.5%. So the volume is moving down. It is not the best sign on the movement to the upside, and that is why we have to be cautious because of this sign. But let's continue with major news, and we are on monthlyfool.com, and this article was published on September 14th, and it's titled "Why Polkadot Tokens Are Soaring Today." And let me quote you first of all key points. The Polkadot network is preparing to launch business-grade cross-linking project for the first time. The pre-launch testing is not reporting any game-changing technical issues. And sometimes that's all it takes to get investors excited about this innovative blockchain system. So let me quote you this. The Polkadot network you see today is actually not the final product grade version, but a so-called canary system that's meant to suss out technical issues before the final product goes live. Well, that launch is scheduled to take place before the end of the year, when developers have approved the final technical design and completed actions for the first handful of feature-complete Polkadot chains. And this process has been moving forward all year long, and investors see the light at the end of the tunnel. As of Tuesday afternoon, Polkadot prices have gained roughly 30% in the last week, 65% since mid-August, and quadrupled from $9.3 per token at the start of the year. So it is a very good gains with this token, and I have to say, because of this huge volume, we might see the trend continuation. And that is why you can rely on this token as a potential medium-term investment in your portfolio. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. As you can see guys, it is quite difficult to make a breakdown according to Elliott wave theory, but in my opinion, because of this movement right here and because of the volume, I think this is the third wave. And this retracement in the shape of triangle, we might consider it as a fourth wave. And the breakdown might be like this. This might be the first wave, this is the second, this movement is the third one, this is the fourth, and this top is the fifth one. And we cannot consider the top of our fifth wave right here, because in this case, if we will make it like this, and internal breakdown will be, for example, this is the first, second, third, fourth and fifth. And we cannot have the retracement in the fourth wave that is lower than the bottom of the third wave. That is why right here at this point we invalidated this count, and that is why in my opinion we might have this as our fifth wave. But I have a concern about this retracement, because as you can see from this point to this one we have movement for about from late July till the beginning of September, more than 1 month of this movement, and only one candle that retraced the entire movement. I don't like this type of retracement because usually it has to have at least the shape of a simple zigzag, and it should last for at least 1/3 of this movement to the upside. And that is why we had to see this retracement at least for a week or week and a half. So, and what to expect next? In my opinion, right here, as you can see, if I make this breakdown, we might have this as our A wave retracement, this is our B, and potentially we should have the C wave somewhere here. But instead of this, we had first wave to the downside, and then we had very good volume, as you can see right here. And with this candle, despite of its red color, this candle has very good volume, and that is why it broke a previous swing high, and for now we are hovering above this previous top. And this price action invalidate this retracement, and in my opinion it is still possible that we might see higher price action, but also I have some doubts on a daily time frame. So if we will take a look on the RSI, as you can see, we have consistently lower highs with consistently higher highs on the price action, and this is a bearish divergence, and this divergence means that we might have a trend reversal from this point to lower price action. But right here, as you can see, we are in the neutral territory. This means we also have room to grow to the upside. And because of this volume, as you can see, the volume is moving higher. I think it might be the beginning of next movement to the upside. And because of this, we might hit some higher targets. And let me show you potential targets. So, first of all, we might hit the previous top at the level of around $49.6. So the range of about slightly below $50 might be our resistance. And the next major target, let me project it. From the very bottom of this movement to the very top, I pull the Fibonacci extension tool, and third point at the bottom of the retracement. And as you can see, we hit for now the 0.618 level, and we have a reaction. So far from this point we have slight pullback, and if we'll break this resistance, then if we will break this resistance of 0.786 and previous all-time high, our main target might be at the level of $55.83. So guys, what should you do if you want to catch this trade and if you want to invest in this token? First of all, do your own due diligence, and if you realize that the risk is not so significant compared to potential profits, then you can enter your position on every daily red candle, and in this case your average price will be much more attractive for the future gains. But on the bearish case, if this will be the very top and I am completely wrong with my Elliott wave breakdown, if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, and let me clean the chart a little bit, we might land at the levels of $31.98, then $27.88, and even 0.5 Fibonacci retracement at $24.56. So we might have this pullback, and from this point somewhere at from the level of 0.5 or even from the golden pocket, we might have next attempt to go higher, and this movement to the downside will prove this bearish divergence, and if it is the real case, we might see this price action. So just be extremely cautious with this asset and accumulate along these levels, along the Fibonacci retracement levels. In this case, you will have more attractive average price, and even if you miss potential movement to the upside, on the retracement, when we will see more price action from this token and when we will have more evidence that we might have a trend continuation. In this case, I will do another update and I will show you the re-entry points for this asset to make some profits. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!